Hello everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. So friends, Christmas is also the perfect time to decorate your home with simple handmade ideas. A small corner with candles, tiny trees, fairy lights and handmade ornaments can completely change the feeling of your home. You don't need a big budget. A little creativity is enough to make everything look warm and beautiful. If you have old ribbons, fabric pieces, or leftover lace, do not throw them away and you can turn them into lovely Christmas bows, mini stockings, or trees decorations. And recycling old materials is a smart and creative way to make beautiful crafts while saving money. Pine cones are one of the easiest natural decorations. You can paint them and tips with white colors to look like snow, or add a little gold glitter for a festive touch and tie a ribbon on top, and your pine cones ornaments is ready to hang on the Christmas tree. Another simple idea is making Christmas candle holders. Grab a glass candle holder with jute rope or burlap ribbon. Add a small bow, tiny bell, or green leaves. Place an LED candle inside, and it will create a soft and cozy holiday glow that looks beautiful in the evening. You can also create adorable mini Christmas trees using cardboard, wood sticks, or rolled paper. Decorate them with beads, pearls, tiny stars, ribbons, or glitter. These little trees look wonderful on shelves, tables, or office desks. Making Christmas craft is not a race. Work slowly and enjoy every step. Even if your decoration is not perfect, it still has value because it was made by your own hands. Handmade creations always carry love, effort, and beautiful memories. Color also make a big difference. Traditional Christmas colors like red, green, white, gold, and silver always look elegant together. You can choose one color them for all your decorations to make your home look neat and stylish. Small details can make your crafts even more attractive. Tiny bells, wooden beads, snowflakes, ribbons, stars, and soft lights add charm without making the decoration look too busy. Sometimes simple touches create a most beautiful result. And if you enjoy making crafts, do not be afraid, try new ideas, and every project teaches you something new, and the more you practice, the more confident and creative you become. And remember, every expert wants to start with simple handmade craft. Every Christmas decorations become more meaningful when it is made with love. It doesn't matter if your craft is simple or fancy. What really matters is the time, care, and happiness you put into making it, and that love can be seen in every detail. And a beautiful Christmas table can also be decorated with handmade crafts. Place a small handle in the center and add pine cones, wooden stars, green leaves, and tiny ornaments around it. And this simple arrangement creates a warm and welcoming holiday atmosphere for everyone. If you enjoy painting, you can decorate wooden signs with lovely Christmas words like Happy Christmas, Joy, Peace, and Believe. Soft colors and simple designs often look the most elegant and give your home a cozy holiday feeling. Do not be afraid to mix different materials together, and wood, burlap, jute, rope, and lace ribbons, papers, and natural branches all look beautiful when combined. Sometimes the most creative decorations come from using simple things in a new ways. You can also make lovely wall decoration. Arrange small ornaments, stars, bells, ribbons, or tiny wreaths on a wooden frame or a piece of twine. Handmade wall decor adds a personal touch that cannot be bought in a store. Always keep your workspace clean and organized while making craft. Prepare all your materials before you begin. This makes crafting easier, saves time, and helps you enjoy the creative process without feeling stressed. Remember, handmade decorations do not need to perfect. Every small mistake makes your craft unique. That is the beauty of handmade creation. They are made by real handmaids with real love and care. Christmas is a season of kindness, sharing, and gratitude. Through simple crafts, we can decorate our homes, make truthful gifts, and create memories that stay with us for many years. Sometimes the smallest handmade gifts bring the biggest smile. And I hope today's Christmas craft idea inspire you to create something beautiful with your own handmaids. Try this easy idea, add your own creativity, and enjoy every moment of the process. I believe every one of you can make something wonderful. Before I say goodbye, I want to thank each and every of you once again, and your comments, your likes, your shares, and your endless support means more to me than words can express. Please keep supporting this channel just like you always do. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, leave, or comment telling me which craft was your favorite, and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next Christmas craft idea. Until next video and until next time, stay happy, stay creative, take care, and happy Christmas. God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next, and your love and your kind comments and your support truly means the world to me. If you enjoyed this Christmas craft idea, please leave a comment and tell me which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your family and friends. Share it with your family friends and subscribe for more beautiful Christmas inspiration every day. Make your home be filled with love, peace, joy, and beautiful memories. Happy Christmas, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting my channel. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.